Hello and welcome to this tutorial today, which is going to focus on 3 moves you can do as part of a contemporary floorwork sequence. So make sure you stay watching till the end because I'm going to show them in isolation and then I'll put them together and you can try along with me that way. So it is floor based, so you might want to get down onto the floor. You don't particularly need any skin grip for this, so don't worry if you're wearing leggings and socks and jumpers and stuff. I love poling with like as many layers on as possible and with cold, so feel free to do that as well. So the first one, it goes into like a shoulder stand. So you want to sit next to your pole, so your hips are in line with the pole, just like this. Sit up tall, and then you go back to put your feet on the pole. So right now, I know actually that I'm too far back, so I'm going to move forward a little bit and try and get the pole a little bit higher up the side of my body. So you want to go just a little bit past the pole, and then your hand goes on, you roll back, lift. So there's position 1. So you've got a few ways you can play around with this. You could obviously extend the leg, you could bend the legs further, and then you can just use that as an open pose maybe. Yeah, let's do that. And then from there, you're going to kick out over whichever shoulder you feel confident to do so. So I'll just go over my right shoulder, so I'm kicking the right leg, and then the left leg follows. So there is position 1, so you can just start in that position or you can take a roll back into it. So that's number 1. Number 2 would be to pull yourself in, so you need to know you've got enough space for this. Like a full length of your body is how much space you're going to need, and you definitely want to be wearing something that you can slide around the floor in. So you're just reaching onto the pole. I like this because it's kind of like my body wants to go that way, like I'm hanging on for dear life. But then I pull it back, and obviously it's much easier on the floor than it is when you're doing a pull-up on a horizontal pole, for instance. So from there, I'm just going to pull the shoulders down my back, and I really want to pull as hard as I can to bend in the arms, and I want the pole to meet my hips. So pull there. So when you get to that point, when you get to the point of pulling into the pole with the hips, you don't just want it to stop there, you kind of want to react of what the pole's just done. So say for instance I've just hit the pole, I kind of want to come back off. Okay, so it's like a rebound effect. So let's just do that one more time. So you've got 2 ideas to play with there. You can push away or pull in, but we're pulling in for now. So hands in a cup grip, and then you pull, let your body hit the pole. It won't be at a full speed unless you're like superhuman strength. So you pull, like react into it. So there's like a little move you can do. Then from there, what we're going to do is sit up. So top hand helps you sit up, bottom hand stays on the floor. Bring your knees through. You can turn that round, actually that would work better than a cup grip, I think. So turn around, and then from there you're just going to place this hand to the side of your body, and you're going to scoot your legs through into a push-up position. So this is a little bit harder because it requires you to push your weight into your hands, but I'll give you another option in a minute actually. So pull, there we go, and that would be the end position. If that feels too difficult right now, you could just take your legs through to there, and that would work just as well. So you've got 3 moves. You've got the first one, where you roll back onto your shoulders and feet meet the pole. They can either go up or they can stay bent. You roll off. Let's make a transition for the roll off to pull into the pole, and then just that end position. So let's have a little go from the top. So I think it'd be nice to start lying down actually. So I'm going to start lying down. You might start sitting up. Hands by the side. I'm going to tuck my knees to my chest and get my feet onto the pole. So lift to there. You could bend, lengthen. You can play around a bit there, that's quite nice. Kick off, lengthen, hand, pull, react, lift. Take the legs through, take the legs back. And bring them in. And that is it for your contemporary pole tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you did, if you want me to make more videos like this. And of course, if you want to learn a full-length choreography, visit my website. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.